growth. Do not accept other people's definition of happiness. You need to know what it is that is making you happy. And if you are really in tune with who you are, then you will notice even the smallest things. Growth happens over time, and it's not always a slow process. There are so many experiences and examples of things that can enable growth. Take a look at the examples in nature. As we reflect and look with insight at our lives, we can pinpoint times that impacted and led to our growth. Knowing what it is that you want and need for your growth is the key to understanding the life you can live. Nurture yourself and add the necessary ingredients that you want. You can carve out your own truth and live your life to the full.